It has been 43 years since an Indian won a Golden Globe for Best Non-English Feature, and that could have changed with Payal Kapadia's All We Imagine Is Light in the 2025 Golden Globes. However, the film lost the award to Jacques Audiard's Emilia Perez. All We Imagine as Light, which has been a favorite in the awards circuit across the globe, has been winning left, right, and center. However, it was really tough nomination pool as All We Imagine as Light was competing with films like Emilia Perez, The Girl with the Needle, I'm Still Here, The Seed of the Sacred Fig, and Vermilio. Almost all of these films came to the Golden Globes with a stellar record at the various awards constituted across the globe. Also at the 82nd Golden Globes Awards, Payal Kapadia made history as the first Indian filmmaker to be nominated for Best Director, although she did not win the award which went to another contender, Brady Corbet for The Brutalist. Her nomination remains a momentous achievement for Indian cinema. Besides Payal Kapadia for All We Imagine Is Light and Brady Corbet, the nominees in the category included Jacques Audiard for Emilia Perez, Sean Baker for Anora, Edward Berger for Conclave, and Coralie Farja for The Substance. While the world seems to be celebrating All We Imagine Is Light at every given opportunity, it faced a major heartburn back home due to the limited theatrical release and Film Federation of India's decision to not send the film as the country's official submission to this year's Oscars. Incidentally, their choice of Lapata Ladies failed to make the final shortlist. This win, as in the recognition, is as an important shot in the arm for filmmakers like Payal and films like All We Imagine Is Light because it opens new avenues for collaborative works and an exchange of global level talents from the country. Even All We Imagine Is Light is a co-production between France, India, Netherlands, Luxembourg and Italy. Starring Kani Kusurti, Divya Prabha, Chaya Kadam, Anand Sami and Ridu Haroon, All We Imagine As Light is currently streaming on Disney Plus Hotstar and has been receiving rave reviews for its sensitive and poignant portrayal of working women in the bustling metropolitan city of Mumbai.